Hi everyone, how are you all doing? Welcome to another episode on this public investment portfolio series. If you follow this channel for some time, you know that every month I update this public investment portfolio. Fully disclaimer, this is not my only investment vehicle or investment wallet, if you put it in this perspective, and this is not by any means any investment advice. I do me, you do always do your own due diligence, and don't trust a random guy here on YouTube. I'm just doing this so that in a few years I can look back and rewatch this video and say, oh, okay, this was a good decision, this was a bad decision, and our strategy here is for the long term, and I'm just dollar cost averaging, and I think this is a nice series. So last month, if you remember, or if you follow this channel, I didn't invest any money, which was the first time in this 1 year and 4 months. This time it's gonna be different. I'm going to contribute because this is it. You will contribute when the market is on top, when market is down. You cannot always hope for the market to be down. But last month it was super busy. This month is also super busy. But I'm not going to delay. Today it's a public holiday in Portugal, so I'm taking this chance to record this video. I'm also preparing for a marathon, so my time has been a bit off lately. So opening the Trading 212 app, which is the app that I'm using for this playlist, you can see here our portfolio right now has a value of 971 euros. I think it's a bit down since our last update on YouTube. Let me see. Yeah, on the last update it was 996, even though we didn't invest it. So at this stage, it's just the fluctuations. We are 1% in the green, which is nice. Not that much, but oh well, I'll take it. And so we invested in total 961 euros. Let's see our position. So Alibaba is a bit down, like 4%. Google is more or less flat. Amazon is up. Farfetch is down a lot. Intel is down a lot. S&P 500 ETF is down. And you can see here JD.com is down a lot, so I was waiting for an opportunity to reinforce in this position, and today it's gonna be that. So let's see our allocation. So as you can see, the most percentage goes to the ETF, so it's a diversified basket, a big foundation. And then I'm super focused. Let's put in this perspective on Google, on Alphabet, then on Meta, then on Intel, Taiwan Semiconductors, Alibaba, Amazon. So I want to increase a bit of my exposure to JD.com. So you can see here the stock that's been performing the best was the Pinduoduo, which was a return of 138%, but that only represents 2 euros and 86 cents from the entire portfolio, so 0.29. So this is almost nothing. I'm pondering if I should move to a more aggressive strategy, or if I just keep doing this. I think for these investment portfolio purposes, I will remain this strategy for this, but I'm just here, let's say, putting my thoughts out there, that I need to be looking for more aggressive strategies. So you can see here the performance of our portfolio. So the one that we did in the first of 2022, the first month of 2022 is down 13%. Then all of them are down. And then in 2022, on October, those are positive. The last one in February is a bit negative, and these 2 months I haven't invested, so I didn't invest on March, but I'm going to invest now. So I was investing 120 euros. I'm going to invest 120 euros because I don't see any big opportunity. Maybe throughout this year we will see a moment where the market can crash a bit, and I will invest 120 euros that I was supposed to invest last month, or I'll just keep the money on the sides and use it as dry powder. So all things. Let's see what was the allocation that I chose for this month. It was 30% for the S&P 500 ETF, because it was a bit down and I want my portfolio to have this foundation always. 25% is going to JD.com, so 1/4 of the 120 euros is going to this Chinese stock. Then 15% is going to the information technology ETF, 10% is going for Alphabet, and 10% is going to Taiwan Semiconductors, and 10% for Farfetch. So this is like, if we consider previous historical returns, the average is 8.82%, although I think this is going to have a higher return, or at least I hope so. You have to stick around for the next 5, 10, 15 years. I don't know if YouTube will still be a thing by then, but we'll see. So this is the portfolio, and I'm gonna invest. I'm gonna invest 120 euros. Okay, so you can see here 12 euros are going to Google, 12 euros are going to Taiwan Semiconductors, 30 euros are going to JD.com, and 36, and you can see the rest here on the screen. So I'm going to confirm buy, and I'm not sure if all the positions will execute. At the moment I might need to wait for the markets to open, but I will keep you updated here with some screenshots when these positions actually execute. I think the entire portfolio executed. Yes, perfect. So it took a while, and let's see our total portfolio. So now we are in 1090 euros. We surpassed the 4 digits mark. It's an interesting moment. Yeah, this kind of destroys the purpose of this chart, because you can see here this almost looks like a staircase, because it's like every month we are contributing, except like in the last 2 months you can see it a bit more flat. But even though on top of those contributions we have a return of 0.90%, so 1% of the portfolio is actually has actually grown. So as you can see here, so Alibaba right now is 4%, and the same. Alphabet is up 1% because we also contributed right now. Farfetch is a bit less down because we just added to the position. JD.com is 4% down because again we contributed to this again. So let's see the distribution. Still 50% is going to the ETFs, 13% is going to Alphabet, and okay, Meta lost a bit of weight in comparison. And yeah, I'm liking this portfolio so far, and let's see how it performs in the future. Thank you for watching. See you next time.